Hi, everybody. Sean and Amanda, live from Aruba. As you can see behind me, we are in paradise. And today we're going to introduce a place that we've been booking for quite some years, the Riu Aruba. They have a family resort and an adults only. They're having some construction, which was an issue and still is an issue. So you shouldn't go there right now. But they're getting at the end of that loud phase. So that's good news. Because we have had very good feedback from our clients up until a couple months ago when they failed to tell us they were doing construction. But that's why we're here. And we're going to try to make sure you know that you will never get caught in a mess like that. Sometimes it's out of our control, but we do everything we can to protect our clients. But the Rio, outside of that, the Rio is a good resort that we have a good partnership with. And like I said, there's no adults only and a family one. It's a good property here in Aruba. They've been doing a good job for years. The family one, I won't book that until, I'll try not to if you insist, but I don't want to book that until they're complete, which could be the end of, I think, next Christmas of 2026 before they complete that. And we'll let you know that. But here is the Riu. Is it the Palace, the adults only? The Antilles? What is the adults, Amanda?
Riu Palace Antillas.
Riu Palace Antillas. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube. Call us when you're ready for your vacation or special occasion. We'll make sure we treat you like you deserve. Hi, we're at the Riu Antilles, right?
Yes.
Palace?
No, it's the Riu Palace Antillas.
Palace Antillas is the adults only one. All right, these have been remodeled, these rooms. As you can see, the floors are up to date. And the room is nice. You know, it's a junior suite ocean view. They do have the elite club, which I'll talk while Amanda's doing that. That's some different category. I think it's worth it if you can afford it. You get oceanfront rooms, and you get a pool. You get priority dining and other things that we'll go over with you. But you see this bathroom's really nice. Nice walk-in shower.
It's really spacious.
Rain shower head and a handheld linear drain. And a nice tile. These tiles are nice.
Yes.
And this light, this is a bit like a fluorescent, an LED light.
That's the biggest one I've seen.
Right, I never saw it before. Look how bright this is when you're trying to get ready. This is really nice. Sometimes the light makes you see a little too good. Okay, floating toilet. Now when you're in Elite Club, you're gonna get like a fully stocked bar and different things. And here they have sodas, but I think you get like beer, and I'll find out. I'll know what else you get with that. And here's your little liquor bottles up there. Now these are locked away, so nobody can tamper with them, okay? Little table, which is nice for room service, king size bed. We have to request your bed. That's why I come here to get contacts. You can't pick the king or the queen. You gotta request it, okay? And that's important. If you want a king, you need KVS Travel.
Yeah.
I know people.
Yes,
okay?
You have to know the right people.
Yeah, we're gonna get, if it's possible, we'll get it because they want our business. Suitcase holder, nice. What do they call these again, Mom?
Wardrobe.
Nice wardrobe here.
Closet.
Yeah. The furniture's all matching, like it's nice.
You get robes. Is there slippers in there?
I didn't see slippers.
So robes.
Maybe an Elite Club.
Right. She might have just missed it too because
This is if you're coming here like on a honeymoon, they do a little thing here.
Hershey Kisses.
Okay, let's just see the view because that's what we're really here for. Because you're on a nice beach, Palm Beach. Lots of pools here, and the water here is nice. You're doing better things here. Like you go to some of these other islands, you don't get there's no seaweed here. The water's really crystal clear. But now Aruba is windy, so you got to know that. But there's your view. That's a pretty good view.
It's gorgeous.
All right, so you get shared. Does it look good right here with the thing in the back? You get shared amenities here for the family resort. You guys can both guests can come and share everything except the sit-down restaurants.
The adults.
No, both.
Families can't come to the adults.
Well, the adults can.
Yeah, that's what I said, just the adults.
Yeah, no, the kids can. Yeah, there's adults, but if you stay over at the family as adults, you come over here.
Correct.
That's unusual because usually it's only the adults only that can go over. Let me know which route. Like I said, this is Aruba is a beautiful destination because people feel safe walking out and about in town and different things. And it's not set up like the other resorts where the compound is more open. So that's that.
So they have many pools. There's these, and then on the other side, there's more pools.
Well, the Elite Club gets
Correct.
their own pool. And one more thing. This is a great resort setup for a destination wedding. If you want a destination wedding in Aruba, is great because you have the family building, the adults building, and the adults can congregate together over here. So give us a call when you're ready to book. Subscribe, hit the notification button, KVS Travel, when you're ready to book your honeymoon, anniversary, destination wedding, just a vacation, whatever. Whether it's the Riu, or it's the New Secrets, or it's another destination, or maybe you want to go to Italy, or a river cruise. Find out how it is to work with real professional travel agents that give you the respect that you deserve. We do all the things that we book. We are experienced. You don't have to do any research. We do it for you. Thank you.